Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is another car from my archive pictures. This was many years ago. I found this beautiful 1959 coupe in Indiana. The car ran and drove really nice. It had a little tiny bit of rust around the fender skirt hangers, which was easily fixed. But like I said, it ran and drove really, really beautifully. It also had a very different kind of interior on the car. It was manual windows, which I kind of liked because I don't really like to mess with the power window mechanisms when they break. So I really enjoyed having the manual windows in the car. But it had factory leather seats. It had been ordered that way. You guys will see that here in a minute. And it was these are the factory colors. And to my knowledge, the paint on this car was original. And it was just gorgeous, as you can see. These pictures are a little bit fuzzy because for some reason trying to get the pictures off my old laptop was rather difficult. So I think it kind of dropped the resolution a little bit, unfortunately. But truly a beautiful car. We're getting to some interior pictures here in a minute. I had never seen an interior like this because typically it's the cloth in the center and then the leather on the outside of the seats. But like I said, this one had been ordered with the double leather, if you will. So yeah, gorgeous car. I kept it for a little while, had some fun with it, and then I ended up selling it to a good friend of mine who still has the car. He repaired the rust that was around the skirt hangers, and he's still driving it very often to this day. He's a very good friend of mine, and he is here in California, so the car is not in bad weather anymore. It's here in a nice dry state. But anyway, thank you guys for watching the video as always and supporting what I do. I'll see you guys on the next Cadillac adventure. Take care, everybody. Be blessed.